Future millionaires, wow, go on, welcome to another video. So based on the last video, I saw that you guys liked that name. So guess what? Future millionaires is here to stay because you're going to be one, I'm going to be one, everybody's going to be one. We're just going to give away millionaire status like Oprah. Jump that make still, but we just want to share the knowledge so that everybody has a chance at actually becoming one somewhere in their lifetime. Without further ado, welcome to this video. My name is Demetress Fairman. In this video, I will show you an update of my dividend portfolio. I'll basically show you all the dividends I have received from May all the way until July. So without further ado, let's jump to our first dividend. So let me just scoot on over because we're going to have our dividends right here. Our first dividend that we're going to look on is one of the biggest in my portfolio right now. It is going to be the JMMB 7.35 preference share. And they gave me a dividend of $1,930.60 on the day of May 9, 2021. The ball start rolling and the ball start rolling big. Our second dividend on this list is going to be the Apple 8.25 preference share, and they gave me a dividend of $51.16, and they paid this on May 31st. And since it's a dividend update, I don't see the need to actually tell you what each stock actually does because it's going to get repetitive. I've already done that in previous videos, so I'm just going to give you what those stocks paid me in dividends. The third dividend payer on this list is going to be Apple, and that is their ordinary share, and they paid me a total of $25.04. Apple really have me thinking, you know, because I bought Apple from Apple was around $15. I know they are $39. Capital gains, yeah, I can sell them. I can sell them if I want to and reinvest that money into a stock that is paying me more dividends. Food for thought, Demetress, food for thought. Fourth dividend on this list is a stock that everybody's talking about right now, and it's one of those good entry-level stocks because it's kind of cheap and it's a stock that anybody can get into right now, and that is going to be Mailpack, and they gave me a dividend of $216.96. So the camera battery just died a while ago. I might have to get a dummy battery. And little camera basics right now. For those who don't know what a dummy battery is, it basically plugs straight into the wall and into your camera so you never run out. I guess it will be good for these talking head shots. Hurry up and monetize my YouTube so I can start invest more into this YouTube venture, you know? Number 5 on our list. This must be intense show to write in number 5 for this week. But anyways, number 5 on the list is going to be the JMMB 7.35% preference share. Whoa, that's a real... Now I'm gonna say that because you're not gonna burn me out. But they gave me a total of $1,930.60. Yo, like, if I ever tell you before, I'm gonna tell you again, like, if you can't get into this stock, get into it because they see them $1,000 and them $2,000 a month. It kinda nice, you know, because that can pay your water bill every month. Like a stock paying my water bill. I can't wait till they reach the rent. Anyways, let's go to number 6 on the list. And number 6 on the list is going to be First Rock. And they paid me a total of $55.86. Their stock price is taking a real downtrend right now. So whoever is interested in their real estate holdings company, you can get in now because the price is around $14 I think right now. So you can jump in if you want. Not financial advice, by the way. Stock number 7 is going to be a stock of controversy. It's going to be a stock that makes people question my ethics when it comes to investing. However, I like this stock and it gives me good returns, and that is no other than Carreras. And Carreras paid me a total of $2,225.72 as of June 6th. Our 8th dividend check was paid to us by Apple preference share 8.25 at a total of $49.57. Next up on this list is going to be proven investments. And Proven gave me a dividend of $8.76. However, I am still in profit with Proven, so I am also getting a capital gain while having Proven. So I'm getting capital gains and I'm also getting dividends. I'm getting the best of both worlds with this stock right here. And again, the big boy in my portfolio right now is going to be JMMB 7.35. And you know why they're the big boy? Because they paid me a dividend that is equal to the year in which I was born. They paid me $1,994.96. So 1994, I don't know what makes it any more clear for me. If you believe in superstition, you can make superstition rule your decisions in choosing this stock. The last dividend that we received is from a financial institution. It's from Scotiabank, and they paid me a total of $520.63. So when you do the math and you add up all these dividends, I'm not going to lie, I just did the math. And it surprised me because this shatter any dividend record we had last year. Last year gone. Last year trash. Because right now, those dividends from May to the month of July added up to a total of $9,877.10. Yo, amazing! Amazing. Amazing, guys. Amazing. So let me give you the grand total from January all the way to July. Yo, when I see this, like, the only thing I can think about right now, a skilly bang, now is that, you know? And it kind of sound like a money machine. Shout out to the subscriber who mentioned that in the comment section, you know? It sound like a money machine. And right now, my portfolio, I behave like a money machine. Because the total all the way from January to July is a total of, drum roll please, $15,810.09. Right now, if me have a mic, me drop it. And if you hard me drop it, it'll drop to the earth and end up at Japan. I've never seen a cartoon reference there yet. But yo guys, this is so amazing. The power of dividends. The power of money. Yo, just wait till all 5 years pass and your dividends start to cover your light bill. Your dividends start to cover your rent. You basically can't live free. It's like you're collecting rent money. Money. Yeah. So this has been it. This has been the dividend update from the month of January until July. And guess what, guys? The year not done yet. The dividends, them sweet. I'm sweet like a sugar. Like sugar in it. Sweet like sugar. This got sugar in it. Big up Nico and Puss Milk. But anyways guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for liking this channel and thank you for subscribing. At the moment, looking at the subscriber count, we are just 6 subscribers away from 2,000 subs. Please make it happen by weekend, guys. Let it happen. Let us have our 2,000 subscribers. And if you guys have any ideas for what I should do when we get to 2,000 subscribers, please leave a comment down below. I love the ideas. Just keep them coming and let us see what we can accomplish together. But without further ado, thank you for watching. Thank you for being a part of the future millionaires. And I hope you can become a millionaire also. Get your mindset ready. Get the work ethic ready. Try to get your pockets ready because we're going to crush it. Happy investing.